India's much-claimed strategic autonomy has been reduced to rhetoric after its mishandling of the Middle East conflict, exposing flawed foreign policies and sidelining of allies for perceived gains. According to Kashmir Media Service, India distanced itself from ally Iran, with PM Modi remaining silent on Israeli and US actions and the death of the supreme leader, indicating an absence of principled positioning. Strategic autonomy appears as an empty claim, with policy conduct exposing inconsistencies at the core of decision-making in Delhi. And observers noted that Iran, once projected as a key strategic partner, was sidelined under external pressure, and the absence of fresh funding in the Indian budget for Chabahar port construction reinforces this shift, they added. India's pursuit of US and Israel approval has come at the cost of its stated strategic autonomy and national interest, leaving long-standing partners increasingly marginalized.